The CSC-SYS 50 has been designed to be compact and portable. It weighs in only 15 kilos, including batteries, and is easy to handle either in the Sustainer format or with the UG underframe. It's the perfect solution for transport to the point of use and the ideal work table in one. The UG work table is designed for use at waist level or at floor level. It's easily assembled by operating these green levers here. When using as a transport trolley, these two support feet here are designed to protect this plate, which becomes part of your work table. Remember to store these away for the perfect flat surface. Next, we press this green lever here to lower the plate of the trolley, and now it becomes a perfect workstation. It is a useful size workspace. You will all be familiar with the MFT table design, so of course it can be used with all our Festool clamps. This plate now becomes your support for your material when you are ripping or cross-cutting, as it is the same height as the saw bed. When positioning the saw to the work table, there are a few simple tips to remember. When rip cutting, place the saw on the table, remembering to point the handle of the Sustainer towards the handle of the trolley. The same applies when refitting the Sustainer cover to the saw. The handle of the Sustainer should always be at the same end as the control panel. These large feet locate in the footwells here, and you can confirm that these are in the correct position using these markers. We've painted them green just for the purpose of the camera, so the camera can pick them up a little bit easier. The MFT top is cleverly designed to enable the saw to be positioned in either cross-cut or ripping positions and has clear reference markings. These cutouts on the MFT top are to enable the saw to be accurately positioned at 45 degrees when working with larger pieces of material. Now you're ready to cut, and in further videos I will show you how to operate the controls and how to register the machine to gain the most accurate cuts. My name is Gordon, thanks for watching Festool TV.